Hello everybody, we're going to do some more practice with some counting today. We're going to read another Thanksgiving counting story, and then we're going to practice coloring some turkey feathers. But first we're going to read 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pilgrims. One little, 2 little, 3 little pilgrims. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pilgrims. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pilgrims. 10 little pilgrim boys and girls. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Wampanoag. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Wampanoag. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Wampanoag. 10 little Wampanoag boys and girls. Digging for clams, fishing for cod. Hunting for ducks, rabbit and geese. Planting crops of corn and beans. Everyone has a job to do. Digging for turnips, carrots and beets. Gathering nuts, berries and squash. Carrying baskets of barley and corn. Now it's time to celebrate. 1 big, 2 big, 3 big turkeys. 4 big, 5 big, 6 big turkeys. 7 big, 8 big, 9 big turkeys. 10 big turkeys for the feast. Turkey, cornbread, cranberry stuffing, pumpkin cider, Indian pudding, clams and oysters, tummies growling. Let's give thanks and then we'll eat. All right. So that was the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag Indians on their first Thanksgiving. Some of the different things they did and things they ate and celebrated. We're going to do some counting practice with this page today. You need to get your name on the top. This says counting feathers. The directions say color the feathers. Now you're just not going to color all the feathers. You're going to have to look at the number on the turkey's belly. And you're going to color that many feathers on that turkey. So this first turkey, let's do it together. What number is on his belly? 10. So for this turkey, you're going to color 10 feathers. So I'm going to count while I color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For that turkey, that was all of his feathers. Now you all are going to use your crayons to color. I want you to look at the number on each turkey's belly, and I want you to color that many feathers on that turkey. You can color them all the same color. You can do a pattern. Just make sure you only color the number of feathers that's on the turkey's belly. Talk to you later.